One of my favorite items to find lately at the estate sales are textiles, and I just wanted to show you guys some of them. This is all from samples that someone got for decorating their house. Look how cute the details are. They're so vintage. Even the colors. I love this dragonfly. And you can get them really cheap too. Look at all the colors. I've been getting them for $1, maybe $2 sometimes. But what they're great for is, you see my backdrop for photos? These are great little backdrops. Oh, sorry. Hold on. I mean, they don't have patterns like this right now, or at least not that I see. This one. It's like a Japanese scene. Hold on. Oh, well, I thought it was Japanese. Maybe it is like, what's this, colonial? I thought it was because of this. Isn't that in Japan? And it looks like cherry blossoms. Let's see what the name of it is. Oh, the name of it is France. So France, not Japan. This one is velvet. Which I actually am planning to... Hold on, let me put it on the floor. Sorry for the view. I think I'm gonna use a solid color on the back and make a really nice giant squishy pillow. Who else loves pillows? And then this one is my favorite. It goes with my colors. I like the teal and the creams. Look at this. I didn't really think this video through. I was just packing them up, and I thought, before I pack them up, I'm gonna share them. Isn't this pretty? And then we have the different versions. And then these are coordinating materials. I don't know, I'm getting a ton of ideas by getting these. Super cute. Just a quick video. I'm working on my workshop, getting ready so I can start making some more videos. Got all my stuff out of boxes. And if you're interested in making jewelry or selling and reselling jewelry, let me know what you like. I got lots of things to make, lots of videos to be made. Can you see what beautiful necklace might be on here? I have a jar full of vintage brooches that needs to be gone through. Maybe we could do a live. A lot of cute stuff in here. Look at that one. I said when I fill it to the top, I will make a video. And it's full. Can't get anything else in there. This is a vintage belt buckle or scarf clip belt. I don't know. What do you call these guys? Anyways, thanks for watching.